Good morning, my all dear friends. I am Somidul, and it's our new episode we are going to launch. And in this episode, we are going to show you a new GoPro camera which we are going to purchase. And after coming here in the showroom, we got the news that GoPro Advanced Edition 12 has already been launched today. And today we are going to purchase this GoPro 12 black action camera for our channel, and in this channel afterward we will go to show you all the videos which will be uploaded after being shooted by this GoPro camera, that is GoPro 12 black. Now we are going to unbox this camera here.
কোয়ালিটিটা কমিয়ে আর একটু বেশি পাবে
কোয়ালিটি দেখুন ওটা 4K তে আমি বললাম না ফুল এইচডি তে করলে আপনার একটু টাইমিংটা বাড়বে ফুল এইচডি রেজোলিউশন মধ্যে নেই
The seal is being opened now.
पानी किसको चाहिए इन सीरीज लेंस है इन सीरीज लेंस একটু কস্টলি হয় लेकिन ওনারা করে যখন ডিজিটাল লেন্স লাগাবে না তো দামি যাবে না বলে একটা ক্যামেরা দিয়ে 29 টাকা একটা অ্যাডাপ্টার নিয়ে
And in the screen, our team are here today in the showroom. The team of our channel, Calling Greens, Calling There. So after opening, this is the view which we are getting, that is with the gimbal and the original accessories which have been given in this created edition, that is GoPro 12 black. Here is the camera. That is the media mode. It is media mode. The design has been slightly changed from that of the 11 black. GoPro 11 black. Here is the camera. Here is the accessories. So far I think the accessories are the same which have been given in the 11 GoPro black. Battery. This is the battery.
अभी नहीं आ रहा है कॉम्बो नहीं आ रहा है.
This is the battery.
33,000.
And this is the light. This is not flashlight, but this is constant light.
हाँ कॉम्बो. हाँ कौन 33.
This is the gimbal.
एयर 3 है तो 1,61,000 हाँ 1,60,000 मिनी टू तो अभी बंद है, मिनी टू नहीं आ रहा है, बंद है दिया है मॉडल, मिलने के लिए मिल जाएगा लेकिन आपका ज़्यादा प्राइस है, 68 का समथिंग प्राइस है।
And this is our team of our channel Dakche Sobi Dakche, that is calling Greens Calling Days. Today we have purchased one GoPro camera, action camera. This action camera is of today, which has been launched for the first time, that is GoPro 12. By this time this GoPro 12 has come up and it has been launched today. Today is 13th September 2023 and we have purchased it from Professional Enterprise, and this is our camera and we have purchased it today, and later on, that is afterwards, the video which will be uploaded from the channel of Dakche Sobi Dakche, that is calling theirs, will be with the GoPro 12 camera. Now how that will be and what will be our new experience, that we will going to share with you, and we hope that you will like it, and if you like it, please thumbs up and subscribe our new channel today.